Yeah. Okay, Tom, we've got 12.5 minutes to be honest. Because it's a movie. So you got anything to say to the camera? Oh no! Okay, Tam, chill out on the sauce.
One more. You gotta take everything off it, Oh, stop. You know I poured salt over that.
Yeah, you can taste that now. It's not right. Hey, no, come on, George. I'm not photogenic enough. I'm stuffing my face full of food.
Huh?